RV life is a thrilling journey of discovery and adventure. As we open the boxes, a world of memories and essentials unfolds before us. Each item tells a story, from cozy blankets for chilly nights to pots and pans for home-cooked meals on the road. With every box opened, we embrace the freedom of the open road, crafting a home wherever we park.
And there's Ninja, half asleep. But I'm going to rip this open and we'll get inside. So as you can see, this is the Amazon one. And this big boy is brought to us from LiTime. Although I hear a lot of people say LiTime. And let you know, it's going to be a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter with remote control. And if you've watched my videos for any length of time, you know I'm a big advocate for LiTime. I really like their products. I have their 230 amp hour lithium battery, as well as a 2,000 watt inverter. So I actually reached out to LiTime because when I bought the 2,000 watt inverter, I wish I would have spent another like $50 and got the 3,000 watt. But even the 2,000 watt now, they're making are pretty incredible. So my current 2,000 watt inverter, pure sine wave, has 2 plugs for AC plug-ins. Well, as we're going to see on this 3,000 watt, it has, I think, 4 AC plug-ins and 2 USB plug-ins, which is pretty cool. But before we jump into the 3,000 watt LiTime inverter, we're going to see what I got for the Jeep. Okay, and here I'm pretty sure is my new radio that I'll be installing in the next day or two. Got a 10-inch, basically flat colorized touchscreen, and I'm excited about that. Here are what they call grab handles for the Jeep Wrangler, and basically on the driver and passenger side up in the front roll bar area to help yourself get in, they've got these little grab bars to help you get in, especially an old fat guy like me. Well, the driver's side one is gone. It's long since ripped off. So I ordered 2 of these. I think they always came in packs of 2 or 4, depending on if you have the 2-door, 4-door. And I forgot, they're under $20, I think. Then my passenger side sun visor has a broken one of these. This is actually what's on the sun visor that then clips up and locks it in. The one on the passenger side is pretty much all ripped apart and ripped off. So I'm going to put, there's 4 in here. I'm going to put 1 fresh new one on the driver's side and 1 on the passenger side. So as you can see, here's the grab handle, made of like paracord, and it Velcro straps onto the roll bar on the driver and passenger side. So I'll be doing that install video later, along with the sun visor stuff and the radio. So here we go. Inside the box was again that 10-inch color touchscreen, the mounting bracket. This bracket's going to screw on with 4 screws onto the existing radio, and then this panel just snaps on. You can see all the connections, and they've given me a ton of connections. I don't even know what you'd use these for, but we'll find out. This is the little CAN bus that lets the stereo radio monitor talk to the Jeep so that you can work the buttons on the steering wheel. It comes with a little tool to pry off everything, and it comes with a user manual. Now this is by no means a top radio, but it was in my budget. Oh, unless I break it now. And jeez, that's why you can't have good things around me. So This was one that I found had like 4.3 stars. A lot of reviews that I went through. There were a couple of negatives that said, hey, it worked for a week and it stopped. Well, with these kind of Chinese knockoff brands, that's what you're going to get every now and then. But the installation looked pretty easy. I've already taken off my dash in the past. I pulled the radio out to see if I could fix it with a heat gun onto the internal chip of the radio, but I didn't have luck. So this was like $150. Had the best reviews out of most. Doesn't even have a name brand on the user guide or the radio itself. But if you're interested, I will have the link to the Amazon site where I got this in the description below. Keep in mind, I'm only unboxing it now, so I'm not recommending it at this point until I get it in to test it. Now let's open that LiTime box. Check out the new inverter. Got all the power wires, screws, cable for the remote. I think that's ground wiring. And now let's get this out of the box, shall we? Okay, there's I think some sort of mounting plate maybe for the remote. And again, the wired remote. It's going to give you all the info on there. Dual fans. My current one I think just has one fan. Easy to put on the positive and the negative. Thing is pretty heavy and beefy. Of course, an instruction manual. But I've measured it, even though I have to drill new holes, it should still fit in the area right over here. But as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's got a USB-A and a USB-C. That's pretty cool. On power here, I think that's for the remote, but I'm pretty excited about it. Once I get it set up, we will test it with the heat gun, air fryer, ice maker, and really put it through its test. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be pretty high quality, but I'm excited. Now, right now, the 2000 watt really is sufficient, but I want to upgrade my power. So I want to add another 190 or 200 watts of one more solar panel on the roof. I want to bump up my LiTime 230 amp hour battery to probably their 321. And I wanted to bump up my inverter. So got to do one step at a time.
Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos and exclusive updates. Join our growing community and be part of the journey. Together, let's explore more exciting adventures and share insights that inspire